Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVC. Joe Vazurek visiting with meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Network, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, some rain showers on radar this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we have a little bit of a disturbance that's going through the northwesterly flow as we have that ridge out to the west over the Rockies. And that's got some showers just to the southeast of Oberlin and McCook. There's some activity that's moved through east of Norton, Phillipsburg. One of the heavier thunderstorms and showers is up around North Platte and Holdridge, and all that stuff is moving east and southeast. Overnight, we saw some showers and little few rumbles with thunder go down Highway 34 and 36. May have picked up a 10 to 20 points of moisture, but this stuff is pretty scattered and light. It's going to move off to the east. We'll have some breaks in the sun come out here this afternoon, and then we've got a round of severe weather potential later this afternoon and evening. We're thinking between that 4 and 10 p.m. Some of these storms have a moderate risk of being severe supercells, kind of like what we saw the other day, but coming, a bit from the northwest instead of going from the south west to the northeast. They'll be going the other direction. If they do become a supercell, that means large hail damaging winds could have one or two tornadic events or small tornadoes with this system. Otherwise, we're starting out here this morning at 52 degrees in McCook. We got 53 out in Burlington, 54 in Goodland, 56 in Colby. We got a southeasterly wind already blowing 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to 30. And that looks like that's what we're going to see throughout the day. So with that wind direction, that's going to keep the moisture, some clouds in place. We have some peaks of sunshine later this afternoon, pushing those temperatures up to 80. And that kind of sets the stage, for the severe weather potential. As we move into the evening and overnight hours, we'll see wind shift to the northeast as the front comes through behind these storm system. There'll be 10 to 15 miles per hour, and overnight lows will drop to around 50. There will be clouds and fog and moisture in the air tomorrow, and for Sunday, the winds will turn to an easterly direction. Cooler air will be in place in the upper 50s to middle 60s for highs, lows in the middle to upper 40s to around 50. And with that east upslope direction, the ridge will be flattening. The cutoff low out to the west will be sending pieces of energy and low pressures over the mountains and through the plains. So we got chances for showers and thunderstorms just about each day through the weekend and Memorial Day. As far as severe weather goes, there's a marginal risk again tomorrow in the same areas, same time frame. And then as we get to Sunday, cooler temperatures, more rainfall, cloudier skies will weaken the threat, but there still is a slight risk heading into Sunday per Storm Prediction Center maps that you'll be seeing out there. Again, the temperatures are going to be well below normal, 15 degrees below normal, those upper 50s, low 60s. Monday, still the same thing. We're going to high in the 50s, low 44 for Memorial Day, rain chant continuing. And then we'll see this upper level low, this trough kind of spin out of here, go to the Midwest, and then a second one lines up out to the west, keeping the zonal flow under the main jet stream. That will send more energy and more waves of energy through the end of next week with storm chances just about each day. Only difference is we might see more sunshine. Temperatures back up into the 70s for highs, upper 60s, lows upper 40s to middle 50s. And again, we got rain just about each day through Friday. Computers are showing 1 to 2 inch totals here over the weekend, maybe another 2-3 inches next week. So if we get rain totals of that significance here over the next 7 to 8 days, we're definitely going to be happy with that, and could start changing our drought picture significantly as we head into June.
Okay, once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Network, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Vazurek.